we have not lost the fact that we agreed as Jubilee that 2013 and 2017 we are going to support President Kenyatta, and none other than the President himself moved around the country to tell the nation that after his term expires, he will support his deputy. He has not said anything to the contrary. So these media reports going around, being cooked around, are just stories that are meant to divert the nation from the business of the president, which is achieving the big four.
Jubilee will remain here permanently, but whoever comes with bad intention in Jubilee, it is only that person who is going to be cracked, but not Jubilee. Jubilee is here. We made a covenant, that is 2013. His Excellency the President united the nation with the Deputy President. They said they are going to make a decision, and their main legacy is to make sure that the Kenya is united. Therefore, we are in covenant where we agreed, we prayed. I remember it was made in my county, Nakuru County, and the Kenyans were united. We are moving, and our covenant was very simple, that we are going to support our president. 2022, we have a president candidate. We have no vacuum for the position of the president come 2022. But for now, we are supporting the president and the deputy president. We are supporting the government. We just want to work. Right now, it is a matter of development, development, development. Nothing else.